That is why Cabinet met this evening.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm scared.
I'm scared, what are we doing?
I'm scared.
And made the decision that Auckland will need to move to alert level 3 for a period of 7 days.
Jesus Christ. Which one bigger?
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Hi.
What's the ingredient we're starting with?
So we're doing both tomatoes and the garlic and the shanks.
Yay! You know we have canned beans.
Yeah, shame on you. So I'm going to start by taking the beans that I have soaked.
Let me get the beans.
I prefer that you use whole beans that you cook in the sauce, but what we're going to do with your beans is we're going to drain them. The cooking of the beans becomes part of the sauce, so you're going to have to use some of the water of your beans as part of your sauce. Is your oven on?
No.
Quick, turn your oven on.
How many degrees?
180. So we're going to make a cross on the tomato with a knife.
How many tomatoes, Mom? What? All of our tomatoes.
Yeah.
12 tomatoes.
Yeah.
I'm putting tomatoes on the tray. Yeah?
Yes. And garlic as well.
Is whole bulbs or just the cloves?
Whole bulbs.
Do you take some of the skin off?
You know what? Yes. Loose one. Take the loose off. Now we're going to put a bit of olive oil on the garlic.
And the tomatoes. And the tomatoes?
Yeah.
Woo!
So next we're going to take the lamb shanks in a pan, and we'll brown the lamb shanks. And after we brown the lamb shanks, we deglaze the pan with the red wine. So take the shanks out of the plastic, get your pan with olive oil ready. I'm just grinding pepper onto my shanks. Can you see that? Started cooking in my beans. There's been foam coming out. I'm going to show you the foam.
Foam.
I'm going to throw away that foam. Generous with the olive oil always. And we're going to let the pan heat up. Then we're going to brown them all around.
Okay. Ooh. Turn them up. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Give it nice brown color.
Okay. Because we're doing it in batches, should we deglaze after the second batch?
Yeah. We're gonna let the tomatoes cool down a bit.
How do we know if they're done and ready?
Is the skin separated a bit from the tomato?
Just a tiny bit.
Is it gonna be easy to peel?
Yeah. Whoa! Is it ready? Look.
Yeah. It looks ready.
You're not even looking.
I did look. It looks good.
Okay, I'm about to deglaze.
I'm scared.
What are we doing?
I'm scared. Okay.
This is terrifying.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. This $10 Shiraz is yum. Colander or sieve?
I don't care as long as you separate the beans from the water.
Bada bean, bada bomb, bitch.
How are you doing?
Doing good. I'm peeling my tomatoes.
Oh, we're peeling tomatoes?
Okay.
It's so hot, Mum. How do you do this? It's hot, Mum.
Harden up.
Just because she doesn't have any feeling in her hands. Oh, this hot, so hot. You want to just
What
cut
was
in
that?
quarters?
Yeah, cut and quarter. Well, the garlic should peel easily because it's been in the oven. By the way, it's one of my favorite dishes. I love the flavors. I love garlic and tomatoes. We all know that. But also, it's a one bowl meal because you have your polenta and it's cheesy, and I love that. And I'm crazy about polenta, actually. Polenta is one of my favorite things. It's just a really good meal that you can also put in your freezer. It's one of my favorite, really is. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to arrange the lamb and the garlic And the bean water, I will put my beans in, but I don't think you should put your beans in yet. Maybe you should put your beans halfway through because your beans are cooked and mine are only half cooked.
There's 6 of them. I only got 5 in here. It's smaller. Maybe 2 in here and 4 in the other one.
Yeah. Distribute the garlic.
I'm putting tomatoes in the other one too.
Enough tomatoes in each. And enough garlic in each. And the pan juices, you're going to have to put 2/3 and 1/3.
Yummy.
The olive oil that was in the bottom of the tomato thing, just use that, put that in the pan as well.
That is the good stuff.
First the paper, then the foil, and it's got to be really tight. Just make sure, there's no places for the steam to escape. We want to capture all the moisture and make a beautiful sauce out of it. You're cutting some baking paper. How is that stressful?
You just don't understand. Oh, it's spilling.
No, don't lose the juice. Oh,
Whoa,
What's that on top?
time.
That's way more than ours.
Okay, you'll be fine with the time you got.
Gosh, I didn't even measure it.
Wow.
And then you see how big it is?
Yes.
It's massive. And then I like folding it in two.
Wow, she's really
We should
good
do
at
that.
it.
We should do
Yes,
that.
we'll do it. We'll do
Good.
Putting it in the oven. Goodbye. See you in 3 hours.
Okay.
Bye. Wait, bye.
It's been an hour and a half since we started cooking. Talia's playing Animal Crossing. We'll do some yoga.
In the meantime, while we are waiting, I am doing some admin, which is not my favorite job.
Hello. Back.
Should we look into our pots?
Oh, ooh. I'm going to unwrap the other one.
Good idea.
Oh my god, there's liquid everywhere. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god, I can't just put it on the tray. You have to bring the tray to me. No, there's more space on the tray. Oh my god. Stop laughing, you fucking bitch. Oh my god, look at the I know! You absolute psycho. Why is there so much liquid?
Good. So you wrapped it really well.
Liquid
Try
everywhere.
and not lose the liquid on the floor.
What?
Right. Add the beans. Add the beans.
She's laughing.
I'm not laughing. Now add the beans and try and close it back again. Yeah, the beans are cold. Shouldn't have been in the fridge, guys. Heat them up. Heat them up. Put them in the microwave.
Bean.
Yalla yalla.
How much longer does it cook for, Mom? How much longer?
I think it needs another hour, easy. Use the foil you have and just close it and you'll be fine.
The oven.
So let's have another 20 minutes and come back and then do the polenta.
Bye. Hi.
Hello. I think it's time to do polenta, eh?
Oh my god.
Have you got parmesan?
Yes. We got this cheap stuff.
The cheap stuff?
Don't make that face. Sorry, we flat. You live in a house.
Is it from Italy?
No, it's not from Italy. New Zealand. Oh my
Okay.
god, I can't. I'm sorry.
My polenta very cheesy, so I got some pecorino and grana padano and parmigiano reggiano, but that's okay.
Can we put tasty cheese in it?
No,
Mozzarella.
and we grate some parmesan.
Yes.
Leave some for shaving.
Let her go. Whoa. That's for shaving?
That's for shaving. That's for grating.
Okay. She's grating the cheese. She's grating the cheese.
Okay, have you got some butter?
Yes.
Now I'm taking my butter and my boiling water and I'm going to my pot.
How much water?
Probably the whole kettle. You open your bag of polenta, half the bag, and all the parmesan that you've grated.
Look at the parmesan. Look at the parmesan.
Show me the pot. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so lower your temperature.
It's thickening.
Okay, cool. Keep going. Took her a little bit longer.
Mm.
Okay, it's quite thick now, Mum. Yeah.
Good. Okay, stop then.
Yay.
Yay.
Yummy. Wow.
One plate, I guess. Put it on top.
Show me. Oh, good. Yeah, is the meat falling off the bone?
Yep, it is.
Oh, oh,
So you set up plates.
Okay.
Set up plates.
Yes, yes. And
Do we put the lamb shank in there now?
a lamb shank and some beans and some tomatoes. Maybe we can put some more beans on there, I think.
Wow, good job, Talia. Put it up.
Rock it all over.
So bring a place to do. Okay.
look at that.
Oh, look, she's eating by herself. Hold on, we're gonna eat with her soon. It'd be so sad if she ate alone. I'll sit you up on the table.
Come and eat.
Be good.
Cheers!
Yes.
Yay! Cheers! Cheers!